Achoo! Achoo! If you sneeze one time, that's okay. If you sneeze 2 times, that's okay. But if you sneeze 3, you don't want to know what's going to happen. You just understand what you just did? Bro, your boogie is alive. Looks like you accidentally sneezed 2 times in Ohio. Let me just... Ooh. Okay, you're good.